Cow.
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 A horse.
What's yours?
Sheep.
My favorite farm animal is a Hereford cow, because I was in the cattle business when I was younger, and those are my favorite animals. Purebred business is great.
My favorite farm animal is a dog.
My favorite farm animal is a hog.
Why?
Because you can turn them faster than you can a cow.
A cow.
I like cattle too.
How about your sheep?
My favorite farm animal is a dog.
What's your second?
Mine is a cow.
A dog. What's your second?
I like horses.
How about you guys?
I like chickens. I like a cow.
My favorite farm animal is a horse.
Yeah, mine too.
My favorite farm animal is probably the goats.
My favorite animal is cats.